Before we begin crafting, let's talk about of the material we are working with. Jute is often called the golden fiber. When the sunlight touches freshly processed jute, it glows almost like warm honey. This fiber comes from a plant grown mostly in India, Bangladesh, and some parts of Pakistan. It is strong, durable, eco-friendly, and completely biodegradable. People have used jute for thousands of years to make baskets, ropes, bags, and home decor. But what makes jute special is not just its usefulness, it is its story. Jute grows near rivers where the soil is rich and the air is moist. Farmers harvest it by hand, drying long stalks together and soaking them in river water. Children watch their parents work, learning skills passed down from generation. So every time we use jute, we are touching something that has traveled through nature, tradition, and human hand. A wreath is not just decoration, it's a symbol of welcome. In old village, people hung wreath on their door to show this home is safe, this home is warm, this home has kindness. A circle shape has no beginning and no end, representing family's connection, love, and hope that continues. So today we craft. Remember, you are not just making decor; you are creating piece of your home. Material you actually need for this craft: a circular base. You can use cardboard, metal ring, or even an old embroidery ring. Jute rope or jute fabric strips, hot glue gun, decorative elements like pine cones, small flower, wooden beads, dried leaves, ribbon, or lace from hanging. Remember, use what you have. Crafting is not about buying, it's about creating. Take your circle base and begin wrapping your jute rope around it. Move slowly with gentle hands. Let every wrap become like you're breathing peace into your home. Secure the roof with small dots of hot glue. Don't rush, this is mindful movement. Now take your pine cones, dried flowers, or little wooden beads, place them where your heart says they look beautiful, maybe on one side, maybe all around, maybe just a small cluster. This is your wreath. There is no right or wrong. And a small ribbon or natural jute lace for hanging. Hold the finished wreath in your hands. Admire it. You create something beautiful. Let me tell you a small story. There was a woman who lived in a quiet village near the river. She would sit under a mango tree, weaving jute coats in basket and mats. Her hands were strong, but her heart something felt heavy with the weight of daily life. One evening, her little daughter asked, "Mom, why do you always work with jute? What is special about it?" The woman smiled and said, "My child, life is like a jute. It's come from the earth. It is soft yet strong, and when we weave it with patience, we create something that lasts." The daughter thought about this. She realized our lives are woven from patience. Every day is a thread. Every moment we give love become part of something greater. Just like this wreath. As you hang your wreath in your living room, door or wall, let it remind you your home does not need expensive things. It needs care. It needs presence. It needs your gentle touch. When guests come, this wreath will tell them this home is warm, this home is safe, this home has love. And when you walk past it, you will remember to breathe. Thank you for crafting with me. If you enjoy this moment of calm creativity, stay with us for more jute craft ideas, natural decor, and meaningful homemade inspiration. If you like the video, you must subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more amazing updates, videos, and tutorials. If you are new, so please must subscribe my channel and visit my channel also. Thanks for watching.